Now we are going to see how the DB can be integrated with the Grafana, in which the DB is our local DB in site 5. The data can be connected to the Grafana and the visualization chart can be seen in the Grafana itself. Going for the IP of 192. Yeah, this is the Grafana ID with port 3000. I have already logged in, so it's straight away came to the login page. This is the home page, and here we go for dashboards. We have created a dashboard name of sensor value, in which we click. It will go to a tab in which all the sensors visualization graph can be viewed here, in which we have and direction panel, control section panel, wind speed panel, module temperature panel, ambient temperature panel, irradiation panel, humidity panel. All the seven uh, parameters are added in this Grafana itself. It shows the visualization chart of the data for the past 2 days. We can adjust it to for last 30 minutes, last 1 hour, last 6 hours, whatever we can able to change its time duration. Also, it can be given to the user access, in which they can view this flowchart with the proficiency of they have the provisions of uh, viewing the data for the last 6 hours, 12 hours, 2 days, 24 hours, 7 days, or they have the access to seeing the chart for some past days. This is the actual graph we are getting. This is for 6 hours and this is for last 2 days data.